Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an anonymous question box on Strawpage. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so as you can see on my Strawpage, I've got a ask me something question box. So to get this, we need to head back over to our Strawpage dashboard, click on edit to edit your site. Then from here, go ahead and click on the plus icon to get into the grid mode here. And now from here, place where you want to put that editor. So I'm going to place it here. Then on the right hand side, we need to click onto AMA. Now we can drag that around like so. We can change the height of this, the color. So I'm going to change the scale. Actually, I think it is for this scale height. If that doesn't work, we can drag it out like so as well. Might make it a little bit bigger like that. And then from here we can also, if I go ahead and click on color, I might change this to say, to make it stand out, maybe blue. Then click on the cross and make sure to publish it on your site, because if you don't publish, it's not going to appear. So if I go ahead and look at my site now, that AMA is going to appear like so.